Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Patriot battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Now let's safely disconnect the old battery. Begin by locating your Jeep Patriot's battery, which is typically found under the hood on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, disconnect the positive terminal, being very careful not to let the wrench touch any other metal parts. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it is also very secure. Before you're all done, let's do some final checks. Double-check that all your connections are tight and that the battery is securely held in place by its clamp. For extended battery life, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Now, start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly and check for any dashboard warning lights. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.